Hi everybody, Brandy Furlan here with the Furlan Group at Keller Williams. I have to apologize, it's been a good probably 3 weeks since I've done my last market update. It has been so busy here. Any listings that I've put on the market, honest to God, have sold within a week. So we are seriously short on inventory. We are begging and looking for properties to put on the market. So I'm going to start and preface our video today, our market update, with that information. If you know of anybody or you are thinking about selling, please call me. Homes are selling fast and for top dollar, so thought I'd put that out there. We have had, in the last, so since August 3rd to August 11th, we've had 471 new listings come on the market. That's a 6% decrease from the last time I did the market update. We've had 734 properties go under contract. That's a 2% decrease, not too bad. So we're still putting contracts under market, slow down just a little bit, 2%. And then closed properties that have actually closed escrow, 559. That is a 30% increase in closings. So over the last few weeks that we've been tracking these numbers, the properties are all closing. Of course, it's the second of the month, so the end of the month is typically the highest as far as closings. So that explains a lot there. So I do want to show you guys behind me, and I'm going to try to move, if you can see. I have a potential listing here coming soon. It's at the Ritz-Carlton. We haven't determined a price yet on this. It's gorgeous, almost 5,000 square feet. If you know anyone looking to move to live in a hotel-like environment where you have your own condo, privacy, and amazing amenities, please reach out to me, send me a message, send me anyone you know who you think would enjoy this beautiful property with these views. There are views off the living room, off the kitchen, off every bedroom. It's amazing. So anyway, I wanted to just point that out. That's a potential coming soon here. Wanted to share that. And our market's doing great, you guys. Our market is amazing. Properties are selling. If you look good and you're priced right, like we say, it's a price war, a beauty contest and a price war. So we are in a hot market. Interest rates are still really, really low, like 3%, 3.25%. Some I've heard at 2.7%. So I'm here to help you guys. Please call the Furlan Group. Please go to Facebook and like us at the Furlan Group on Facebook. That's our business page. And then you'll be kept up to date for any contests that we have. We just did a virtual bingo. So much fun. We had 3 prizes for each. We had 3 rounds, and each round had a prize. We're going to do it every month. And I just think that this is going to blow up because it was so much fun. A theme for every round. So the way you're going to be kept up on all of these great things that we're doing and how we're staying engaged with everyone and prizes is to like our Facebook group, the Furlan Group. So message us if we can help you. Have lots of fun, stay healthy, and I will talk to you all soon. Thank you.